Magic 89.9.
Kaya's latest track, Tanga, here on The Magic. Welcome to World Pop, where we play the absolute best of Asian pop, I-pop, P-pop, J-pop, all of the pops we playing for you guys right here.
Specifically the P-pop, because joining us, Junior Jock Wacky and Junior Jock David, we have our lovely guest, Kaya!
Right here on The Magic booth, we'll be able to meme around with you guys. Hi! Okay, let's have them introduce themselves first.
Yes.
Let's,
I mean, I'm sure all their lovely fans already know them.
Yeah.
But I guess to those who don't know them, you guys can introduce yourselves.
yeah,
So,
we can start from here, one by one.
Kaya is here. Hi everyone, I'm Kaya Angela. Hello, this is Kaya Charisse.
Hey, what's up? It's your girl, Alexa.
Hello everyone, I'm Kaya Sophia. Hi, I'm Kaya Charlotte and we are Kaya. Hello.
oh, what a blend of different energies. I'm loving it.
Oh, they're like, they have their personalities down. Like, I can see it. It's shining.
Yeah, well, we love to see that.
Beautiful ladies here in the booth. How was the trip here? How are you guys?
It was good. We're happy na we arrived safely here.
Yeah, I mean, earlier off air, you guys were telling us it was raining really hard.
Yes.
Yeah. So, you know, to us commuters such as myself,
It's gonna be hard.
it's gonna be a hard.
Hirap.
Yeah. So, I guess you guys are here for a reason, and we just played the song, but you
Yeah.
guys recently released a new song called Tanga.
Yes.
So, we also heard that you kind of wrote it with Zach Tabudlo, right?
Actually, we didn't write it. It was written by Mr. Zach Tabudlo himself.
Really?
Written and produced by Zach Tabudlo.
So it was a gift to you guys.
Wow. How was the process in writing? Did you guys have any part in it? Was it all Zach? How did it go?
It's all Zach. Binigay niya lang sa amin talaga yung demo. And then, actually, 2 songs siya. And nakapag-decide si Zach na parang ito yung parang pinaka-fit for Kaya, itong Tanga.
Wow.
And actually, it was a really good experience working with him. We learned a lot from him. He gave us a lot of advices. And hanggang ngayon, we're very, very grateful.
Wow. So I'm curious, what kind of conversation did that look like? Was it, did you guys approach Zach? Was Zach like, hey guys, I have a demo for you?
Yes.
Yeah?
No,
Like that po.
Hindi naman ganun.
I mean, nag-message siya sa amin na like meron daw siyang na-produce na song for us. And then,
Wow.
actually, akala namin, joke lang yun.
Oh.
But nung sinabi niya na meron talaga siyang files or folder na nandun yung demo sa ginawa niya for us. Na talagang for us talaga na ginawa niya. Super nakaka-overwhelm.
Wow.
I think it started with our previous track, yung Walang Biruan, kasi we saw him promoted like sa story niya, and parang doon na nagsimula na parang he's saying na he wants to support us, he wants to write a song for us, give us songs.
Wow.
Whoa, songs, plural.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Pero yeah, that's when it started. Pero ever since before, we are very big fans of Zach. Even nung bago pa kami mag-debut, like, sinasayaw namin yung songs niya, kinakanta and all. So,
Yeah, I imagine like you guys might have been like starstruck by it.
Yes.
Like,
Yes.
How was
actually,
that?
even sa mga events namin na kasama namin siya minsan, and it's always like, parang wow. And then now, it's like, you're giving us songs. Parang ganun po yung feeling. It's like a full circle.
It's like a dream come true.
Yeah.
moment.
Yeah.
How did that feel, you know? Like, you guys said that you guys are longtime listeners of Zach.
Yeah.
So how did it feel that randomly one day he texts you guys, hey, I have a song for you?
Sobrang saya. Nakakakilig po talaga.
Really?
Something na hindi talaga namin in-expect na mangyayari. I mean, this early, parang hindi namin in-expect na we're gonna build that kind of relationship with Zach.
Yes, and yung first interaction probably awkward kasi napapanood lang namin si Zach on stage. And then, one day bigla na lang nagkaroon ng collaboration between Kaya and Zach Tabulo. So parang, it was surreal and grabe, dream come true talaga na maka-work si Zach. And also, since parang halos ka-age lang namin si Zach, hindi namin in-imagine na ganun siya sa craft niya, ganun siya ka-genuine, and ganun yung knowledge na mabibigay niya sa amin na mga P-pop artists. So, Grabe. Thank
That's
you,
nice.
Zach.
Oh, you
That's
know,
nice.
I can't tell if they're gonna promote their new song from Kaya or Zach Tabudlo, you know? I think we have the wrong artist in the studio.
No, but yeah, we were talking about Zach. It'd be
Yes.
nice to learn more about you guys. Of course, you guys are
Yes.
performing. You guys are releasing all of these new songs. I'm curious because, of course, outside of doing the music stuff, outside of everything, there are, of course, things you guys would do to take a break to relax. What are things outside of being an artist that you guys think that you guys still are able to do? Like any hobbies, any things? We can start round table one by one.
Sige. You first.
Oh. Suddenly we're
Don't
so...
be shy to share your hobbies.
When it's not about Zach, we're like...
Actually, ako, homebody kasi ako eh. Nandun lang ako sa dorm and mas na-enjoy ko yung nakapagpahinga ako, nakapag-reflect, and at the same time, napaparod ko yung mga gusto kong series, movies, like that.
Oh, such as? Do you have any series recommendations?
Actually, ngayon nanonood ako na anime.
Attack on Titan. Wow. Okay.
Titan.
That's really good.
And The Last of Us.
Oh wow.
Okay, yeah. So she's picking good series, guys.
What season
Yes.
are you on in Attack on Titan, if I may ask?
Ano daw season?
Yeah.
Season 3.
Season 3.
Wow.
You have
Okay.
a long
so
way to
she's-
go.
yeah. But she's working her way in it. I like
Yes.
it. I like it.
Yeah. things get wild. But yeah. Anyone next?
For me, same kami na Ate Cha, more on series, and I've been into gaming lately.
Gaming. Okay. Any games you wanna drop that you've been
games
playing?
specifically?
No shame. No shame.
Mobile Legends.
Okay. All right. All right.
Pero ano talaga ako, I love my cooking games. So,
Okay. Okay.
so cooking with airplane chefs, yung mga ganun.
Very easy to pick up games, right?
Overcooked also on
I
Switch.
love that.
Overcooked.
I
Oh
love
yes,
that.
I've lost so many
Stressful.
friends.
It's very stimulating. Hindi siya pang rest day, pero yeah.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
love that. So
We
like,
all rest in different ways.
I imagine her playing a cooking mama or something.
I played with my mom.
Oh, that's
Oh,
nice.
that's so sweet.
But yeah, who's next?
Okay, ako, ganun din. Mas mahilig ako sa bahay lang.
Okay,
Sa dorm
understandably
lang.
so.
Kasi yun yung parang me time. And habang nasa bahay ako, mahilig ako mag-gitara. Tsaka kumanta talaga. Maggawa ng cover. Kahit na simpleng nasa phone ko lang, kahit hindi ko ina-upload, parang yun yung way ko to release stress, yung pagkanta talaga.
So still connected to the music kahit
No,
nasa
that's
bahay.
the-
Wow.
That means like that's hard passion right there.
Yeah,
Songwriting.
sobrang passionate
Gusto ko lang
talaga.
talaga kumanta.
No, because like if it's something that even outside of what you do and it's like bugging your mind, I gotta make a song. So it means that hard passion. I respect it. I really do. I really
Yes.
do.
Thank you.
Up next.
Mine's kinda a combination of what they said.
So lahat na lang.
I
In what
watch
way?
anime and I also
Nice.
like playing games, like mobile games, especially Mobile Legends.
Do you guys play?
Do you guys duo together or?
Sometimes, yeah.
Okay, that's it.
That's good. That's good.
Good team bonding experience.
Sometimes I go out with friends. Then we go scooter.
Oh, that's nice. Get active, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
And rollerblades.
Oh, okay.
Rollerblades.
Sorry, can I ask, do the rest of Kaya, do you guys also rollerblade or is it just...
Rollerblades.
Okay, well,
No, this is
This is
something.
one.
Right.
We
This
walk.
is something.
at least, you know, active in some way.
But yeah.
Sa akin naman, since I'm a big K-pop fan.
Oh, yeah.
So usually
Ooh.
pag rest days na ginagawa ko lang is nagka-catch up lang ako sa mga ganap ng mga idols ko like Twice, Aespa, and other groups. And sometimes I jog.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Healthy lifestyle.
When there's like my break time kami. Or usually, kapag may time din, umuwi ako sa family to play with my dogs and cats.
Wow, a
no,
family
no.
woman. We love to see that.
Love it.
I love that. The dog goes.
I'm curious, you mentioned you've been listening to a lot of K-pop. Is there any group that you've been specifically like really on the like jamming to right now?
I'm a big Once po talaga.
Once? Oh my God. Same,
Once
right here.
fan ever since.
Right here, same. Listen, guys, don't get me started on Twice. All right,
He's the guy I go to for K-pop.
I'm the mega
so-
fan. All right.
But recently, I'm into Meow.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
I've heard about them. Listen to them. They're really good.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
You know, since we're on the topic of artists we've been listening to,
yeah.
we already got one. You know, Meow and Twice. Any other artists you guys have been listening to besides Zach?
Muntik na sabihin niya sa...
Yeah. Ang PR trained to say that. Guys.
We're really big fans of Zach.
Well, understandably
Understandable.
so.
Pero right now, I'm really into Cat's Eye.
Cat's Eye.
Cat's Eye.
So I'm guessing you really like Gnarly.
Gnarly,
yeah.
I love Gnarly so much.
Last week we were just like dancing to it. Gnarly.
Yes. Amazing song. Anyone else want to kind of shout out?
XG, we love it.
XG, I love their. I think when they first debuted, they had like really good like debut songs.
Yes.
It was so good. So, anyone else want to shout out
For
some?
me, my pop girlies. So Sabrina Carpenter.
Of course, there we
Ariana,
go.
Olivia, Tate McRae, Taylor Swift, those.
Nice.
Okay.
That's my playlist, actually. Those artists. That's all
That's
I
banging,
listen
that's
to.
And then we have one more. Do you want to?
Ako nakikinig kasi ako sa mga R&B ganun.
Ooh.
Alicia Keys,
Wow.
Rihanna,
Rihanna.
Kesha.
For
Okay,
Y2K.
yeah, more like
Beyonce.
yeah. So R&B vibes.
Yeah, more Y2K.
I
I get
this.
that.
We got not only mixed personalities, mixed playlists, mixed hobbies. Everything about them is so
Yeah.
unique.
But yeah, I guess I'm curious because of course you guys say earlier you guys said you guys were starstruck meeting Zach Tabudlo. You guys were slowly like how everything, all of this happening is kind of surreal. I want to ask how was everything starting off? Because of course your journey going here,
yeah.
how does it feel and how any experiences you guys experienced like going through everything?
Actually, medyo nagkaroon kami ng parang redirection sa music namin.
Okay.
Since very into like parang girl crush concept yung Kaya before. But of course, we're not boxing ourselves sa isang sound lang.
Okay.
So we're trying new things and it started with Walang Biruan. And because of that nga, as sinabi ni Sofia, nagkaroon ng chance to work with local producers na talagang sana mabigyan pa natin ng pansin yung mga Filipino producers, especially ngayon na we worked with Zach Tabudlo, and it's been great. Like grabe ang dami naming milestone sa kanta namin na Tanga. Siguro it's because very relatable and we all went through that Tanga phase in life. Hindi lang siya specifically into love, sa love lang.
I get that.
Sa buhay talaga. So, ang daming nakarelate and I think ang daming audience na na-reach nung kantang to na ngayon we just celebrated our anniversary, like third anniversary.
Really?
Happy anniversary!
Thank you.
Congratulations! Oh my gosh!
Yeah, so ngayon nakakuha namin lahat ng mga parang goal namin na yun nga milestone, like now we have 200 monthly listeners na dati parang 200,000 pala.
Oh my God!
200,000 monthly listeners kasi dati parang inisip namin magagawa ba namin yun, pero ngayon nangyari siya. It's because of Sazaya na talagang laging nandyan to support us and to promote our songs. And actually today na-reach din yung 700,000 streams.
Wow! Congratulations! So many milestones today.
We're very grateful din sa label namin, sa Sony Music, for always helping us and for trying new things with us.
I get that. Congratulations! You guys are reaching a lot.
Thank you.
I just want to clarify. So this was written and produced by us. Okay.
Yes.
So he wrote all the lyrics. Do you
Yes.
guys have any hand in like?
Yeah, because
Inputting.
of course, like you guys are performing the song. Is there any part of it that like resonates to you? Any like inspiration to you guys?
I think yun nga po, parang nakarelate kami nung narinig namin to kasi sabi rin talaga ni Zach, ginawa niya tong song sa perspective ng isang babae. So I think nung nabasa namin yung lyrics, sabi namin, yes, perfect to sa amin, na experience namin to.
So you guys have experienced
Yes,
yung
yung
feeling
tama
of okay. I see. So my personal experience kayo with, kind of the hopeless romantics or the feelings of being in love.
Yes.
Wow.
Lahat
You guys
ng-
want to share any story? Ay, joke lang.
Okay. We're not gonna put you guys on the spot like that. Don't worry.
Sayang. Okay.
During the recording, parang naging madali sa amin to deliver the lines.
Oh!
Kasi from the heart.
From the
From the
heart.
heart.
From the
Okay,
experience talaga. Tapos, tinulungan na lang kami ni Zach sa mga ibang parts like harmonies, yun. Sobrang laking bagay talaga nun sa pagpapaganda ng kanta. Kaya parang working with Zach, sobrang dali niyang makatrabaho talaga. Kasi very collaborative siya sa mga ideas and opinions namin during the recording since sinulat niya na yung kanta for us and parang gawa na talaga yung structure ng song.
At saka parang nung ginawa niya talaga yung kanta, naisip niya kami yung mga voices namin, yung vocals namin, yung personality namin. And talagang parang siyang, alam niyo yung parang personalized siya for you.
Yeah.
Tapos naging namin siya, parang tool para ma-reach yung mga audience na, ayun, who went through that tanga phase.
And also, ito add lang,
Yeah, yeah.
Yung demo, sinend niya sa amin to para a day before na recording para talagang fresh pagpunta dun, as in bago lang sa ears namin yung song. Ganun.
So you don't have time to overthink. You just do it.
Yes.
I like
Interesting work ethic
It's like-
that Jack has.
No, it was made like catered to them.
Yeah.
I like that. That's very
And actually,
specific.
we also let him distribute yung lines.
Yes, siya yun mismo.
Wow.
Okay.
So siya talaga yung producer.
Parang
like,
namin siya, like 100% trust sa kanya. And parang yun, kinalabasan talaga ng song. It was very fit for every single one of us, yung mga lines namin. And I think since siya na yung nagsulat and all, parang yung job talaga namin was to interpret the song. Para it's up to us kung paano namin siya gustong i-deliver. And even with that one, tinulungan pa rin kami ni Zach. So with everything talaga, sobrang helpful ni Zach with this song and we're very thankful na naka-work namin siya.
oh, that's amazing. I guess I kind of want to pry a little bit on something you mentioned
Oh
earlier.
gosh, what's this?
You guys said that Zach sent you songs, plural.
That's
Is there
interesting, yeah.
anything your
Anything-
fans, the Zayas, want to look forward to? Or
Exactly.
anything Zach's been cooking in the pots?
Oh, actually, ngayon po, nagpe-prepare po kami for an EP. So, it's not just Zach sa EP
Yeah.
na yun. So, we're working with different local producers, mga artists natin dito sa Philippines. Kaya, sobrang excited kami for our EP kasi maririnig niyo yung different sound sa Kaya, yung hinahintay nila. Kasi ngayon iniisip nila na parang, ito na yung sound ni Kaya, pero what if meron pa? Meron pa kaming kayang gawin. So, we're not, yun nga, we're still discovering our sound, our group sound, and yun, sobrang we're very, very, very happy na nandiyan si Sony, yung label namin, to help us with looking for songs na talagang would fit Kaya's vocals and Kaya's sound.
Oh,
Well.
incoming.
See, okay, one more, guys. These guys, they're looking scared when I ask
know, it's
questions.
like,
okay, the manager's not here.
Okay.
All right, we're not
We
looking, guys.
have, like, I'm curious.
Are
too.
there any collaborations you guys can start
We have-
exclusive here on Magic?
Is there anything you guys might want to share to the Zions listening in?
yeah,
Actually, meron kaming collaboration with artist producer na si Ziv. And I think yung mga fans namin na rinig na to sa Davao kasi nagkaroon kami ng parang mini fan meet doon and we performed that song Walkie Talkie. And I think malapit na siyang lumabas. So guys, just wait for it.
Malapit na.
yeah. So you guys heard it here. Over at Magic, they're working on an EP.
That's exciting.
They have some spoiler songs.
Actually, yung last time na pumunta kami, sinabi namin.
Hey, listen, you guys can say it again. You know, no problems over here.
Sabi Annie.
We love being open around here. You know? I'm sure the Zayas would love to hear what you guys are working on. Look, the manager's not here right now.
Yeah, you're just with us. We're
Yeah.
just a bunch of homies hanging around.
Yes. But I guess, you know,
Is there anything else you guys want to say to your fans, the Zions listening in?
shout out any social medias or,
Yeah.
or future projects.
You're really adamant about this.
Yes.
But yeah.
So hello sa mga Zion na nakikinig. And we just want to say thank you again sa support nyo, especially with this song, yung tanga, and for everything na ginagawa namin and everything we've been through. Thank you for sticking with us. And to everyone na nakikinig, kami po ang Kaya, and we hope na you can get to support us. And if you're outside on the way to, I don't know, work or somewhere, ingat kayo lagi, stay safe, stay dry, and yeah, God bless.
Absolutely beautiful. The people over on Playback, live stream over there, they're saying hi. They're saying, i-release na ang EP.
Yes, they're waiting for it. They're hungry for it, guys.
Okay, unfortunately, they're not going to release it yet. But what we do have is they're going to be performing for us their special song, the song you guys heard earlier, Tanga. They're going to be performing it live here on the Magic booth. And of course, you guys look forward to that. Thank you guys again for
Thank you
tuning
so
in.
much.
Thank you so much.
But yeah, it was a lot of fun.
And thank you for the spoilers.
But yeah, are you guys ready?
Yes.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this was the halftime show with me, Junior Jock Wack, and
and Junior Jock David.
Absolutely. Up next is Kaya with their song, Tanga.
Magic 89.9.